Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy GoDaddy for domain management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the GoDaddy website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access your GoDaddy account. Enter your username or email and password in the provided fields. Click the sign in button to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Scroll down to find the Domains section on the left-hand menu. Click on Domains to view all the domains you currently manage. If you need to purchase a new domain, click on the Search Domain bar to find an available name. Enter your desired domain name and click the search icon. Review the search results for availability and pricing options. Select the domain you prefer and click the Add to Cart button. Once added, you can choose any additional services such as privacy protection or email. Click Continue to Cart once you're satisfied with your selections. Review your cart items and click Proceed to Checkout. Fill in your payment details and complete the purchase. After securing your domain, return to the Domains section in your dashboard. To manage an existing domain, click on the domain name you wish to edit. You'll be taken to the domain management page where you can update settings. Here, you can change name servers, renew your domain, or add forwarding. For DNS management, click on the DNS button. You can add, edit, or remove DNS records as needed. To set up domain forwarding, scroll to the forwarding section. Click Add, then enter the destination URL for your forwarding. Save your changes once you've entered the required information. Always ensure that your contact and billing information is up to date by navigating to the account settings. If you encounter any issues, explore the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Lastly, monitor your domain status and renew before expiration to maintain ownership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.